video is beginners solo salsa on 1, so that's our LA style. This is routine number 5, so this is our practice routine number 5. This was taught on our beginners level 2 course that we were teaching online in June 2020. So we had a 4-week course, and this was taught in week 2 on the 11th of June 2020. So if you're looking for the full class, the whole 1-hour class of which this was a part, please do have a little look. You're looking for beginners level 2 or beginners solo salsa course number 2, and you will see this is week 2 of the 4 weeks, and it will have the date 11th of June 2020. Apart from that, this is just a short practice routine that we included at the end of the class so that people could practice some of the techniques that we'd learnt in the hour. So I'm just going to make a start. It's a short recap. It's not a full class. Have a little look, try and practice. It's just a few minutes long. Here we go. So basic first, for 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's the first bar. Second bar, right turn and then some body movement. 1, 2, 3, and we needed to spot and make sure we were around on 3. And then I was going to do 5, 6, 7, okay? And the gents could do a little bit more shoulder shimmy, pop, 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 thinking about sitting in an armchair, popping the shoulders forwards, pop, pop, pop. Ladies were doing maybe a little bit more of a roll shoulders backwards, okay? Style was optional, but it was 5, 6, 7 for body movement. Now, left foot Susie Q, right foot cross inside basic. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, out, and cross. That's the 5, 6, 7. Standard left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Fast pony steps forwards. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. Now mambo taps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 slow walks back with the right foot leading. Walk and walk. Tap again. That's 2 mambo taps. And then a travelling Susie Q. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now that's all the steps. I'm going to do it all again. Don't panic, I'm going to do it very slowly. Let's call them out. Mambo. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We turn. Or 1, 2, shoulders. 5, 6, Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, and out and cross. Left turn. 1, 2, 3, get ready, pony forwards. 1, 2, 3, and tap, and tap, and walk, and walk, and tap, and tap. Travelling Susie Q to the sofa. Okay, now I'm going to count that with the actual numbers. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Beginners solo salsa on 1, routine number 5. Previously taught on the 11th of June 2020. I shall see you in the next video.